Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about a new phone that came out. So we'll go ahead and see it and see what kind of specs and price it has, and maybe if it's worth picking it up and should I buy it. So we'll go ahead and check that out in just a little bit. But before we start, guys, let me talk to you guys. Our supporter, Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension on your Google Chrome extension, of course. On the browser that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below. Also, if you guys are in the stock market, I just started that, and you can check out my link in the description below. And so support the channel, helps out, honestly. So let's get into the video, guys. This is what you guys came for, and this is what I came for too. So let's check it out. So if you go to boostmobile.com, so this is through their website. Like I said, I like going through Boost Mobile's website because this is official, products of Boost Mobile, and also if the price is there, the price is there. It doesn't matter if you need a port in or an upgrade or a new line. This is the price for everybody. That's what I like. They keep it a little fair. Now, of course, if you go to the store, you can probably get a better deal. But let's go to phones. Let's go to all phones. And then here we go. So here it is right off the bat, guys. I just found this phone out, a couple days ago, maybe yesterday. So it is the LG K22, man. LG's just been slinging these phones off. You can actually get a nice premium. It's $20 off right now, so why not? I mean, at that price, you can actually get like a $10 Boost Mobile plan and get, like 2 gigs of data if they still got the promotion. I don't know. It's New Year's, man. By the way, Happy New Year's, guys. It's January 1st, so this is the first video of the new year. So it's pretty exciting, and yeah, let's check it out. So right off the bat, just looking at the price, I mean, it's $90, but you save $20, so you'll get it for $70 instead of $90. I mean, it's definitely going to be on the budget-friendly side, guys. I mean, come on, it's not even over $100. So here's the phone. So very colorful and pinkish. Let's look at the back. So wow, so the back does look a little bit better, but you can definitely tell it's going to be plastic on the back. You do have 2 rear cameras with a, what's that thing? A flash, jeez. Alright, so here it is. It does have like a teardrop notch, which is alright. I kind of like it. It doesn't look bad. It reminds me of like the A series phones. Alright, so here we go. On the left side, you do have, it looks like your power button. Might be the Google or it might be the Google Assistant button. Let's find out once we go to the other side. Yep, so that's what it is on on the left side. It's going to be your Google Assistant button. It looks like I haven't even read into it, but that's usually what they do. Volume up, volume down, and then the power button would be right there on the bottom. So not bad at all. It actually looks like a decent phone for the price, Alright, so let's get into it. It says, the featured packed LG K22 brings freedom, fun, and function into one budget-friendly device. Like I said, that's what Boost Mobile's been known for, and prepaid carriers overall. Budget friendly. It's hard times right now. People want to get something budget friendly, and if you don't got that much money, let's say you're trying to spend less than $100, so this might be the phone for you. So let's dive into immerse 6.2 inch. Wow, so screens are getting a lot bigger now. So for a budget friendly phone, 6.2 inch is pretty good. An HD plus full vision display, snap clear and crisp photos with the dual rear camera system. Stay powered up on the go with a 3,000 milliamp battery. So not the biggest, not the smallest. It's kind of in the middle, guys. Some phones might have a 4,000 milliamp battery, and that's really good in my opinion. But 3,000, I mean, for this type of phone, I think it should be all right. So this screen size is, like I said, a 6.2 inch, which is pretty good. I'd say that's a really relatively big screen. Does have dual cameras, so as you guys remember, this is one of these, probably the big one's gonna be a 13 megapixel, and the other one's gonna be a 2 megapixel. Probably one's like a wide and one might be like an ultra wide or something like that. We'll find out in just a little bit. Let's say 3,000 milliamp battery. Not sure if it's removable. Doesn't really look like it, but we'll find out in a little bit. Does have Android 10. So wow. So let's go down a little bit, and here's the key features on it, guys. So see life larger, the big screen in your hand or on a TV. Wow. Watch your favorite content edge to edge on the 6.2 inch full HD plus HD plus full vision display, or cast to a TV to seamlessly share, guys. So this has where you can actually beam it onto the TV, which is pretty cool. All right, sorry guys, the wife called, so you know, gotta keep the wife pretty happy. So, and I'll kind of tell you guys what's coming up to the channel pretty soon. There's some new stuff coming in, and like I said, this is a year, guys. I'm very gonna, you might see, I'm gonna try to make videos even more frequently, just depending, more reviews on the way. So we'll see how that goes, but. Let's keep going. It says the right photos your way. The LG K22 multiple cameras feature a 13 megapixel rear camera with a 2 megapixel macro lens. So it's a macro lens, not an ultra wide. So the 13 megapixel is going to be your main camera, and then you'll have a 2 megapixel macro lens for stunning close-ups. It's pretty cool when you're like zooming in, it'll look pretty decently. 5 megapixel front facing camera to grab the perfect selfie. So the front-facing camera, guys, this phone is not, I mean, it'll be okay for taking, you know, I guess with good lighting, a good selfie, but, man, you're not going to win any awards with a 5 megapixel camera, honestly. Like I said, it's decent. I'm guessing it's probably going to record in maybe 720p, maybe 1080. The display on it, for being the HD Plus, I'm guessing the same thing's going to be a 720. It's not going to be no 1080, especially for this price. Remember, guys, we're not talking about, you know, a $200, $300 phone. It says stay powered up. The K22's 3,000 milliamp battery kept you powered up and on the go with built-in battery saver mode. Wow. So this phone does have a battery saver mode, which is pretty good. It's kind of exciting, actually. You know, I love power saving modes on these phones, and it just. Man, just brings you back to the old phones. Now, like I said, I'm trying to hype it up, but it's a budget friendly phone. Let's look at the specs, guys. So the battery, like I said, there we go. So it's a 3,000 milliamp battery. It's non-removable, so don't even try. Like I said, I've seen people break their phones too many times. Man, you guys will put a knife in there. You'll put a what's my call it? Well, something cut me. You will put a wrench in there or something. I was like, no, man, don't do that. You're going to break your phone, then you crack your screen. You're like, I need a new phone. I wonder why. So memory, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Of course, that's pretty low in my eyes. You're not going to... gaming and multitasking is probably not going to be the best on this phone. It's 32 gigs of internal memory, guys. So it's not 64, but like I said, I didn't expect it for this price. You could put an expendable memory card up to a 32 gigabyte. Whoa. I don't know, man. LG is usually known for being crazy and being like, yeah, let me put a 512 expandable memory card in there. So this says it supports up to a 32 gigs, which is kind of low, man. I don't know, man. The processor, man, oh man. It's a Qualcomm QM 215 or 215 1.3 gigahertz quad core processor. So it's not an octa-core. It's like I said, quad core processor, so 4 cores instead of 8. But yeah, I said, I don't know. I'm kind of getting excited. I kind of want to test out this phone and see what it can actually do. You know, Android 10, of course. Camera, like I was telling you guys, 13 megapixels standard angle, 2 megapixel macro lens, rear camera, 5 megapixel front facing selfie camera. The display, like I said, it's a 6.2 inch full HD plus full vision. Jeez. And there is all the other stuff: Bluetooth 5.0, micro USB 2.0. So it's a micro. It's not a Type C charger. So if you guys still have the old chargers, it will work. Google Assist key. That's what I was telling you about. And then this is compliant with 8 mil STD8, whatever that is, G testing. But overall, I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Should I go ahead and buy this and review it and unbox it? If you guys want, I mean, I'll do it. Like I said, but it's definitely a budget-friendly phone. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Like I said, a lot more videos are coming your way, a lot more tutorials, how-tos. So you're on the right channel, guys, for more prepaid news. Not just Boost Mobile. I'll do Cricket and Metro, and we'll look at other companies as well. So thank you for watching, guys.